Hello, I'm Mina. Very glad to see you again. Now today I will introduce about our catcher stove again. Can you believe this catcher stove is less than 10 kilo? Its surface like the real stove. It's very hard to tell the difference. In fact, it's made of polyurethane foam, which is very strong waterproof and fireproof. Its delivery time is very short because we will finish and produce in one day. It has rich color choices and it's a good decoration for wall decoration. Don't forget to follow us to get more details about building material. This is 登月。拜拜。